Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, all of my friends. Welcome in k.zkitchen. Friends, you have made a lot of breads and cakes at home, but ever did you make banana bread at home with easy and simple steps? Because today I am going to make a complete meal for your breakfast, which is banana bread. That would be easy and simple but outstanding, and with a complete method or steps, banana bread. Okay, friends, I have taken 3 bananas. Now mash these. It's up to you. You can take soft or hard, which you want. Now I have mashed these bananas. You can see. Now I will add 2 pinches salt and 1 teaspoon sugar, regular sugar. 3 teaspoon instant yeast, 2 tablespoon powder milk, 1 whole egg, 1/4 cup cooking oil in it. Now mix these ingredients and then we will decide how much lukewarm water we have to add in it. Almost I'm gonna add 1.5 cup of water. Otherwise you can use separately when you will be kneading your dough for banana bread. In k.zkitchen today we are learning how to make banana bread for our breakfast. Okay, now it's done. Here I have 3 cups measured all-purpose flour or bread flour. I have poured my all mixture in it. Now I am mixing with spatula. After some while I will use my hands for kneading my dough. Okay. Clean the spatula, remove all mixture. Now use your hands. If water is required, so definitely use lukewarm water. Now grease your hands and use your counter for kneading the dough. Keep kneading. If you knead the dough very well and in proper way, so definitely your bread will be soft and nice. Okay, we will leave it for 45 minutes and then we need it little bit more. I will keep it inside. Now prepare a spread. I have taken 4 to 5 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon cinnamon powder and 3 to 4 tablespoon butter. Now mix it very well like this. Now keep it inside also. Mashallah, our dough has been double in size. Let's degas and knead it little bit. Keep folding your dough and now I will make its 2 equal parts. Separate these parts. I will knead it little bit more and then I will spread it in rectangular shape with the help of rolling pin. Get it even from all sides and measure the length of your mold. Now we have to spread this mixture of cinnamon and brown sugar and butters on our banana bread. I'm gonna use this scraper like this evenly. Okay. Now we will fold our bread, our banana bread, which we are making for our breakfast, like this. Now pinch the ends or edges so it could close or seal. Let's grease the mold. You can check the sides and its folds. Okay, I'm greasing the mold with oil. You can use butter if you want. Okay, let's place our bread inside the mold. Let's give it some time for fermenting. Now, mashallah, you can see my banana breads are fermented. I am applying some fresh milk on the top of our banana bread. Now I will get them ferment little bit more and then I will keep them for baking. I am gonna bake these breads in a big wok, or you can say patila. I am not gonna bake in oven or any type of microwave. Now mashallah these are ready and looking so much pretty, and fragrance is also too much amazing. I am applying butter on the top of these banana breads. You can definitely use or brush oil. Let's demold our bread. Mashallah, so soft, mashallah, because we kneaded the dough very nicely. Okay viewers, if you haven't liked, share and subscribe to my channel, so kindly go and like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. Mashallah, you can see the bread. Our one large bread is also ready. I am also greasing it. Let's demold it also. Okay viewers, now it's time to say Allah Hafiz. So enjoy my recipe and Allah Hafiz.